XRP could make you a millionaire and be able to retire before 30. While this is a hypothetical scenario and not financial advice. To tackle this question, we must consider two crucial factors: the current price of XRP and the amount of capital you are willing to invest. As of October 21st, 2023, the price of XRP stands at $0.52, according to CoinCodex. This translates to one XRP being valued at roughly $0.52 or 52 cents. If you were able to acquire one XRP, you would need to invest 52 cents, while 100 XRP would require a $52 investment. Now, suppose you have a budget of $10,000 earmarked for XRP investments. How many XRP can you purchase with this amount? To calculate this, you need to divide $10,000 by 52 cents, which yields approximately $19,230. Thus, with your $10,000 budget, you can acquire 19,230 XRP at the current price. But what would these XRP be worth if XRP's price climbs to $3? To determine this, multiply 19,230 by $3, resulting in $57,690. This implies that your $10,000 investment in XRP today, if the price reaches $3 in the future, would be valued at $57,690. To achieve a $1 million milestone with XRP at $3 per coin, you would need to purchase approximately 333,333.33 XRP. However, at the current price of 52 cents, this would require an investment of $173,333.33. Therefore, if you were to invest $173,333.33 in XRP today, and the price reaches $3 per coin, your investment would be worth $1 million. It is important to note that this is a hypothetical scenario, and there is no guarantee that XRP will reach $3 per coin. However, if you are willing to take on the risk, investing in XRP could potentially make you a millionaire. This may seem like a substantial sum, but is it realistic to expect XRP to reach $3 in the near future? The answer to that question is far from certain, as numerous factors influence the price of XRP. Supply and demand dynamics, market sentiment, regulatory changes, technological advancements, and competition from other cryptocurrencies all play significant roles. Some experts and analysts do project that XRP could potentially reach $3 or even higher in the coming years based on various assumptions and market trends. However, it's crucial to remember that these are predictions and opinions, not definitive guarantees. XRP's price could just as easily decline or remain stagnant for an extended period. Therefore, whether you are considering XRP or any other cryptocurrency for investment, conducting your due diligence and research is paramount. Becoming a millionaire through XRP or any cryptocurrency involves various factors, including the amount you're willing to invest, your patience for market fluctuations, and the unpredictability of market movements. There is no straightforward or guaranteed path to becoming a millionaire through XRP or any other cryptocurrency. It remains dependent on multiple factors and a degree of uncertainty, making it imperative for potential investors to make well-informed decisions after thorough research. In the midst of the staggering multitude of approximately 23,000 cryptocurrencies expected to exist in 2023, XRP remains a prominent fixture, consistently securing its position among the top 3 alternative digital currencies. The intriguing question on the minds of many observers is whether Ripple, the company behind XRP, can execute the bold move of burning the entirety of the 41.098166 billion XRP held in escrow. This endeavor raises issues of potential favoritism, demonstrated by public officials seemingly aligned with their personal interests. If this narrative piques your interest, be sure to watch the accompanying video for a more in-depth exploration. In an ever-expanding crypto landscape marked by the constant introduction of new coins and tokens, XRP stands out as a coin that has retained the affections of cryptocurrency investors over the years. Recent research conducted by Marketplace Fairness highlights XRP's popularity as it currently ranks third among the most sought-after cryptocurrencies, trailing only Ethereum and Dogecoin, as determined by the volume of searches for key altcoin-related keywords on popular search engines. With 1,250,000 searches to its name, XRP leads the pack, overperforming Shiba Inu, Cardano, and other well-known coins, which trail behind. Impressively, XRP's appeal extends to countries such as South Korea and Japan, where it has witnessed substantial trading volumes. The Bitham Exchange in South Korea, for example, recorded XRP trades valued at $60 million within the last 24 hours, signifying sustained interest in the asset. Despite the recent bearish trend that has resulted in significant losses for XRP over a 7-day period, the XRP community has been abuzz with speculative conversations surrounding various factors that could potentially boost XRP's value. In particular, rumors have emerged about the possibility of Ripple, the company behind XRP, burning all of the 50 billion XRP held in escrow. However, it's essential to clarify that the amount of XRP currently held in escrow by Ripple is less than 42 billion XRP. Speculation about the potential burn has generated mixed reactions within the XRP community, with some proponents hailing it as a game-changing development and others dismissing it as unsubstantiated gossip. The speculation of substantial XRP burn, if executed, could theoretically have profound impact on the coin's value. Several XRP influencer accounts have also posted about this topic, though without citing any concrete sources. Nonetheless, it is not the first time that the possibility of Ripple burning its escrowed XRP has been raised. Ripple's CTO, David Schwartz, has previously indicated that the company might consider burning these tokens if it benefits the overall health of the XRP ecosystem. Such a move, if ever carried out, could significantly impact XRP's value. While these discussions surrounding XRP's potential burn and the asset's performance continue, it is important to acknowledge that XRP remains under regulatory scrutiny, and its legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, still influences its trajectory. Ripple's ongoing legal dispute, which is of substantial interest to the broader cryptocurrency community, remains a complex matter. The community remains divided, with some members suggesting that William Hinnom, a former SEC official, may have favored Ethereum due to potential conflicts of interest, while others emphasize the importance of due process and supporting evidence in such allegations. In the midst of these discussions, XRP's price performance remains in focus, with technical indicators suggesting the potential for a price reversal, although it has seen significant losses from its previous highs. It's important to note that while regulatory clarity has improved for XRP due to a court ruling in the Ripple vs. SEC case, the coin's value continues to face various external pressures and manipulative forces in the market. The dynamic of XRP's position within the cryptocurrency market, its potential burn, and ongoing legal challenges make it a subject of keen interest. As these discussions and debates unfold, it is crucial for those involved in the cryptocurrency space to stay informed and approach these matters with a balanced perspective. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and subject to a wide range of influences, making thorough research and careful decision-making essential for any investor or enthusiast. These events surrounding XRP are a testament to the intricate and often unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency space. As we delve deeper into the intriguing developments surrounding XRP, the narrative expands to include accusations of market manipulation and regulatory complexities. The allegations of market manipulation in XRP's case are not unique. Many cryptocurrencies, including XRP, have faced allegations of manipulation and questionable practices. These allegations are fueled by the presence of powerful institutions and the influence they may exert in the cryptocurrency markets. The theory that powerful organizations are involved in manipulating the price of XRP, combined with their history of engaging in similar practices with other assets has added to the uncertainty and skepticism surrounding the coin. As a result, some XRP supporters are understandably cautious and are examining the situation closely. One of the focal points of this manipulation theory is that significant media organizations are involved in disseminating unfavorable narratives about XRP. This has the potential to undermine the credibility of the coin in the eyes of the general public. The influence of media in shaping public opinion regarding cryptocurrencies is significant, and it's crucial to be aware of the potential biases that can exist within media narratives. XRP's relationship with regulatory bodies adds another layer of complexity to the story. Regulatory clarity for cryptocurrencies is a matter of utmost importance, and XRP's recent legal battles with the SEC have highlighted the significance of this issue. The court ruling in the Ripple vs. SEC case has provided some clarity for XRP, but the impact of regulatory decisions on cryptocurrency value remains a topic of ongoing debate. As the legal proceedings continue, XRP enthusiasts, as well as the broader cryptocurrency community, eagerly await the final outcomes and their potential implications for the broader crypto industry. Regulatory scrutiny has far-reaching consequences for how cryptocurrencies are classified and traded, making it a subject of continued interest and debate. The technical indicators, such as the Stochastic Relative Strength Index and the Commodities Channel Index, suggest that XRP is oversold, raising expectations for a potential price reversal. These indicators, while not guarantees, serve as valuable tools for traders and investors in assessing market sentiment and potential price movements. The influence of government officials and their alignment with personal interests is a complex matter, particularly in the context of cryptocurrencies. These assertions can have significant implications of how cryptocurrencies are perceived and treated by regulatory bodies, which, in turn, can have a direct impact on their value. However, it's essential to separate allegations from concrete evidence. In the world of cryptocurrencies, where transparency and decentralization are core principles, factual evidence is of paramount importance in making claims against individuals or organizations. The discussion around the potential Ethereum Gate theory adds another layer to the narrative. The theory suggests that cryptocurrency stakeholders, including Ethereum, may have leveraged their contacts to influence SEC officials and establish favorable regulations for their respective assets. This theory highlights the complex web of relationships and potential conflicts of interest within the cryptocurrency space, which further underscores the need for regulatory clarity. And that's a wrap for today's video, folks. We hope you thoroughly enjoyed the content. If it resonated with you, please take a moment to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more amazing content. Your feedback is invaluable, so don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing what impressed you the most in this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.